Hello, I'm George McCranie, DUI and criminal defense attorney with offices in Valdosta and Douglas, Georgia. Today I'm answering questions about any criminal cases that people have from all over the state of Georgia and questions that they might have. This question has to do with a blood test in a DUI case. The actual question is, what prescription drugs do DUI blood tests in Georgia detect? My 17-year-old daughter was pulled over for failure to maintain lane and determined to be under the influence. They conducted a field sobriety test and she failed. She was arrested and sent to the ER to have a mandatory blood test to check for drugs or alcohol. The officer asked her if she had taken anything and she responded she had taken her prescription anti-anxiety medicine. She had the prescription bottle with her and showed it to the officer. It stated on the bottle, "May cause drowsiness and use caution while driving." After she was released, apparently she told her father that she had taken some of her father's medication. However, she had not slept for 3 days due to breaking up with her boyfriend and had not been eating. She was being treated for anxiety by a primary doctor and a therapist. Well, this is a possible case of DUI of drugs. Now, in my experience, a DUI charge based on the use of prescription drugs can be hard for the state to prove at trial. The state has the burden of proving that your daughter was under the influence of drugs to the extent that she was rendered a less safe driver, incapable of operating a vehicle safely. Now, this can be a difficult hurdle if the only evidence they have to show less safe is the test results. Now, if the officer can describe other manifestations of impairment that cannot be explained by your daughter as, let's say, the result of lack of sleep, etc., the case could be easier for the state to win. But based on the facts in your question, I can't give you a specific answer as to all of her available defenses. Now, it appears that there may be several defenses available to her. Just off the top of my head, one of those is how long has she taken this prescription medication? Because some prescription medications only have an impairing effect for a very short period of time until the body builds a tolerance. It may be necessary to talk to a forensic toxicologist to address that issue. Now, I would recommend that she consult with and retain the best DUI defense attorney that's available to her as soon as possible. Now, her best defense will be having a competent and experienced DUI defense attorney representing her. I hope this information has been helpful. For more information on DUIs or other criminal charges, go to my website at totalduidefense.com or call my office at 866-877-0619.